What's good, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in. We're back with another one. Today's video, we're just going over a quick taper on my dude right here. I'm gonna be using that WizTech guard again, giving it another run on this different texture, and we're gonna see what it do. I'm also gonna be using my Supreme trimmers and clippers as usual, and I would like to announce I'm officially a part of the Team Supreme, and I just wanna say thank you to those people over there for looking out for me, and just believing in me and giving me a chance to show everybody what I could do. So right now all I've done is opened it all the way open, no guard. Now I'm using that 1 on that WizTech. Then I went up to that 2 and created all my guidelines. And like usual, I'll start from bottom to top with the clipper all the way closed, working my way up, using every notch to make sure I create a nice blend. And as you can see, this WizTech, it's going to work, it's doing its job. I really like how this thing cuts. For some reason, it cuts a lot closer than my regular clipper would. Why, I don't know. It gives you that extra crunch when you're cutting. You can hear every hair cutting. I really do like that about it, I'm not gonna lie. So after we hit that side taper, we just want to blend this beard in, make sure everything's all done on one side before we move to the other. I really don't like starting on one side and then doing half of the cut and then going to the next side and then coming back. It kind of feels like I'm doing the same thing over and over and over, so I try my best to finish one side before I go to the other. And just like we did on the other side, we're gonna come over here, start from close to open, and we're gonna make sure we hit every single notch so we can get that blend in there nice and melted in. I'm gonna go with the half, the 1, the 1.5, the 2, and that's gonna bring everything all in, and we're gonna get our blend in there. And after that, I might come in and hit it with the shears and bring out everything in the arsenal. I'm bringing everything out. I'm gonna have to razor it up. Every little skill I learn, I'll try to add it to every cut just to make it that much better. And real quick, I just like to shout out my boy Ricky. He's one of the newest barbers in my shop. He came in there with the least amount of skills. I'm not trying to talk no shit, but he came in there, really couldn't cut. And every cut, man, this kid's getting better and better. And you can tell he's gonna be a great barber real soon. But on top of that, he's killing it with the beats. He makes my beats for my YouTube now. He works with a lot of top artists now. I'm not gonna name drop, but he's killing the game. If you need a beat, make sure you hit him up, DM him, tell him you got the YouTube referral, and he'll take care of you. Ricky, good looking, bro. And if you want to purchase any of these clippers from this video, make sure you guys go to Supreme Trimmer. When you get to that checkout box, use code TRIPPY10, TRIPPY10, and it'll save you a couple bucks on your order. And I'll make sure I'll leave a description on which tools I'm using. That way you know which ones exactly to go purchase and what you need to do to them. Like for example, this one got the fade blade on it. They all don't come with the fade blade. So if you happen to get the taper blade, I recommend buying that fade blade also, because that's the one that's going to give you that nice close blend. I highly recommend the fade blade. So this is the advantage of having this WizTech. I'm just tapering the back. I don't have to turn around, grab my 1, grab my 2, grab my whatever it is I'm trying to grab. They're already attached to this guard, and it's just making life easy right now. I'm just flying through this taper. I know it's sped up, but I really was just flying through this taper. It was hella easy, and I really do enjoy using this guard, I'm not gonna lie. This guard really does do the job. Jump to the front, hit him with some spritz, make sure that line doesn't jump. Then I'm gonna come in with that Vader with that DLC blade. This that brushless motor Vader. You can see it's chopping away. Give me a nice crispy line already. Sharp crispy line. I'm gonna brush the hair in all directions. That way I know his line is gonna stay sharp regardless what he does. When he wakes up, his hair's all bedhead. His line's still gonna be crispy because I combed his hair in every direction. So all I'm doing right here is I'm bringing his hairline down a little bit. It was starting to curl up. It was just a little bit too long, so I grabbed the one open and I just went with the grain just to lay it down a bit, and it will stop his hair from curling up. Before I apply the color, I'm gonna razor it. His line gotta be perfect before I apply the enhancements, because there's no point in applying enhancements to a crooked line. So I gotta make sure everything's sharp, sharpity sharp. Yes, indeed. And I got those Supreme hair grips. Those things are doing their job. And my favorite part, the enhancements. That Tune 4.5 cordless compressor. That Sean Cuts card. You gotta invest in your craft. If you want to be better and you want to get better, you gotta spend some money and invest in yourself. If that doesn't just mean clippers, that means taking classes. That means, you know what I mean, spending money on other things besides clippers. Go attend an event and go meet some people. It's always good to be around new stuff. So right now, bringing that hairline together again. That white line's gonna make it pop. Hitting that beard. Just finishing up this cut, bringing everything together. And I just want to say thank you again. If you're still watching, I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone, but just thank you for watching. I'm gonna try my best to keep dropping every week. I really enjoy doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. And I gotta give one more shout out to my boy Theo, Barber Red TV, doing all my YouTube work, doing every video on my Instagram. If you guys need a cameraman, make sure you go hit up Barber Red TV and go get that work. I appreciate you, Theo. So a lot of times when I do the mustache area, I like to add a little bit of shaving gel, because this tends to be the thicker area of the facial hair around the lip area. So I'll soften it up a little bit with some shaving gel and come in with my razor to get a nice sharp line. Last, I'm gonna add some Juice Defining Foam, help his curls pop, give it a little shine and a nice hold. I have that available in the shop as of now. I will soon have some online available. Stay ready. And this is your final cut, high taper with some curls, some enhancements, all Supreme trimmers, Pro Clipper, Vader trimmer, Solo shaver, Tune 4.5 cordless air compressor. I'll make sure I leave all the descriptions in at the bottom so you know what to go purchase, where to go purchase, all that. And again, thanks for watching. New video every Friday. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And again, I appreciate every single one of you. You guys have a good one. Peace.